Hi everyone, this is Sandy. Welcome back to Easy Cooking. So today I'll show you how to make a mocha chocolate cake. I hope you give it a try. It's so delicious, I really recommend it. Remember, you'll find the list of ingredients in the description box of this video, and you will also find it in my blog where you can print the whole recipe. Let's get started. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to start by mixing the hot water with the coffee powder. Mix well until the coffee is well dissolved, and then just set it aside for a minute. Now in a large bowl, we're going to sift the sugar with the baking powder, the salt, and the cocoa powder. Also add in the flour, sift it all together, then give it a stir until combined, and then just set it aside. Now with an electric mixer, we're going to combine the sour cream with vegetable oil. Mix on medium speed, then add in the eggs one at a time, mixing each egg for about 30 seconds before adding the next one. Once the last egg is well incorporated with the rest of the ingredients, now we're going to add in the milk and also add in half a cup of water together with the coffee mixture. You will also add in a teaspoon of coffee extract. Continue to mix this on medium speed for 1 more minute. After a minute, now we're going to stop the mixer and we're going to add in a third of the flour mixture. Mix on low speed until the flour is well combined with the rest of the ingredients. And then again, stop the mixer once again and we're going to add in another third of the flour mixture. Continue to mix until well combined. And then after it's well combined, now we're going to add in the rest of the flour. We're going to continue to mix this on low speed until everything is well incorporated. Do not overmix it. And this is how it looks once the flour is well incorporated with the rest of the ingredients. Now the batter is done. Now we're ready to make the cake. Here I have my pan. I already greased it with butter and I floured it. Now we're going to pour the cake batter into the pan and we're going to bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 50 to 60 minutes or until the cake is well cooked. And you're going to know the cake is well done when you insert a toothpick right in the center of the cake and it comes out with a little bit of breadcrumbs. Once the cake is ready, this is how it looks. You're going to let it cool down completely before icing it. To make the icing in an electric mixer, we're going to mix the butter with the cream cheese. Also add in the vanilla extract and the Dulce de Leche mixture. Mix on high speed until everything is well incorporated into a creamy and fluffy icing. If you want the icing to be super sweet, feel free to also add in 1 cup of powdered sugar. This step is optional. The Dulce de Leche will make it nice and sweet, but if you want it extra sweet, feel free to add the powdered sugar. Like I said, we're going to mix all the ingredients on high speed for about 5 minutes or until the icing is creamy and fluffy. After 5 minutes, this is how it looks. As you can see, it's nice and fluffy and very creamy. Now the icing is done. Now we can decorate the cake. Here I have the cake. It's completely cold. Now I'm going to slice the cake in half horizontally and then I'm going to transfer the top layer to another plate for now. I'm going to cover the bottom layer of the cake with some of the icing and I'm going to cover it on top and all around the edges. You want to cover it completely and you can add as much icing as you want. Try to make it as even as you can, and then once you're done, we're going to transfer the top layer of the cake on top of the bottom layer. And we're going to finish icing the top layer as well. And again, you can add as much icing as you want, and again try to make it nice and even as possible. And once the cake is well covered with the icing, now you can decorate it, and you can decorate it any way that you want. And I'm using a piping bag with the star tip, and I'm going to decorate all around the cake, all around the surface of the cake. And I also added some Hershey bites all around the edges of the cake. I'm using Hershey's dark chocolate bites and Hershey's milk chocolate bites. But once again, you can decorate the cake any way that you want. You can just top it with chocolate chips and it will be amazing. After adding the Hershey bites, this is how it looks. And now also in the center, I'm going to add some more chocolate chips. And I made this cake for my swimming teacher. It was his birthday and we had a little celebration for him. So he said he wanted a cake with tons of chocolate and sugar, so I came up with this one and it was amazing. He loved it. So to finish the cake, I'm going to drizzle a little bit of Hershey's chocolate sauce all over the surface of the cake. I'm just drizzling it in a zigzag motion. And like I said, I made this cake for my swimming teacher, so I didn't get a chance to cut it at home, but he loved it. And my teammates also love it as well, so I really recommend it 100%. It was amazing, so flavorful, so rich and delicious. I really recommend it. Enjoy. To print these and some other delicious recipes, please don't forget to visit my blog. The link is going to be down below. And remember, you will also find me on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, on Pinterest. I'm everywhere, so all the links are going to be down below. If you want, you can check them out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be notified of future updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!